To the latest coronavirus numbers now, state health leaders announced more than 5,700 new COVID-19 cases. There are now more than 236,000 total cases in the state. Health officials also announced 50 new deaths. To date, more than 4,600 people have died from this virus. 11% of all Indiana deaths have come in just the last 2 weeks. 21% have come in the last month. The state is also reporting 2,548 people are hospitalized with this virus. And what is driving the sharp increase in this positive coronavirus cases right here in Indiana? That's the question.
Yeah, IT Mate's Richard Essex got some insight. He joins us now downtown with what he's learned.
There are a couple of issues driving the positive cases up here in Indiana, but the number one thing is pandemic fatigue. People just want to get back out. They just want to get back to their pre-pandemic lives.
And I think when the governor announced stage 5, we may have missed the message.
Thomas Dazinski of the Richard Fairbanks School of Public Health at Indiana University has been tracking the virus and the spread since the beginning of the pandemic. He says when Governor Holcomb moved the state into stage 5, too many people misunderstood the message.
I'm worried that much of the perception was that, oh, stage 5, everything's open, this must be coming to an end. And clearly that's not what happened.
The warm weather in October and early November brought a lot of people out of the house and into smaller gatherings. And according to Dr. Virginia Kane of the Marion County Health Department, small gatherings are hurting us here in Marion County.
And this is a new trend that we've been looking at from our contact tracing, probably occurring maybe like in the last 3 weeks. So we're really concerned about this.
And then there are people walking around with the virus, but no symptoms.
The other thing, and maybe the last thing that's driving this, is still asymptomatic infections, right? That up to 40% of our population we know may be infected and infectious, able to spread disease, but look and act fine.
And if you are contacted by a contact tracer, get tested and stay quarantined for 14 days, regardless if your test comes back positive or not. Remember, about 40% of the population may be walking around asymptomatic and may be spreading the virus and not showing any symptoms. In downtown Indianapolis, Richard Essex, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.
Richard, thank you.